Today we are talking about the equation of a quadratic function in vertex form. And that equation is y equals a bracket x minus h bracket squared plus k. A represents the step pattern. If the step pattern is negative, it opens down, and if it is positive, it opens up. If it is above 1, then it is vertically stretched, and if it is below 1, it's vertically compressed. H represents how the parabola moves horizontally, and K represents the y value, which is how the parabola moves vertically.
Solve the rest of it because it's not.
Y equals -2 bracket x minus 5 bracket squared plus 7. The vertex is +5, +7. It's +5 because when the number comes out of the bracket, the sign switches. The parabola opens down because the a value is a negative. Horizontal translation of +5, which is to the right. A vertical translation of +7, which is up. And vertically stretched a value is greater than 1. Y equals x plus 4 bracket squared. The vertex is -4 and 0. Horizontal translation of -4, which is to the left, and the parabola opens up. Y equals -x squared plus 6. The vertex is 0, 6. The parabola opens down because there is a negative. There's a vertical translation of +6, which is up. Since there is no number with the x value, it just represents 1. Y equals 16x squared. The vertex is 0, 0. It's because there is no h or k value in this equation. The parabola opens up because there is no negative at the front. It's also vertically stretched by 16 because the value is greater than 1.
Step 1. Write the equation. Y equals x squared plus 10x minus 2. Step 2. Divide the b term by 2, then squared. Y equals x squared plus 10x plus 25 bracket minus 2. Step 3. Subtract the new c term. Y equals bracket x squared plus 10x plus 25 bracket minus 2 minus 25. Step 4. Divide b term by 2 and complete the outside.
Okay.
Our new equation is y equals bracket x plus 5 bracket squared minus 27. This makes your vertex -5 and -27. -5 because when you pull the 5 out of the brackets, the sign switches.
Go.
Step 1, y equals x squared plus 14x. Don't worry about not having a c value because you'll figure it out when solving for the vertex. Step 2, y equals bracket x squared plus 14x plus 49 bracket minus 49. You divide the b term 14 by 2, which is 7. 7 squared is 49, so you have to add that number, and to balance out the equation, outside of the brackets, you subtract 49. Step 3, y equals bracket x plus 7 bracket squared minus 49. This is our final equation. Vertex is -7 and -49. It's -7 because when you pull +7 out of the brackets, it becomes negative. Step 1. Y equals x squared minus 12x subtract 3. Since this time we have a c value, in step 2, you leave it outside of the brackets. Step 2. Y equals bracket x squared subtract 12x plus 36 bracket subtract 3 subtract 36. You divide 12 by 6 and by 2, getting number 6. You square that number, which is 36. To balance out the equation, you subtract 36 from the outside of the brackets. Step 3. Y equals bracket x minus 6 bracket squared, subtract 39. This is our final equation. Our vertex is 6 and negative 39 because when you take 6 out of the brackets, it becomes negative 6 out of the brackets, it becomes positive 6. Step 1. Y equals negative 2x squared plus 12x subtract 11. Now, since we have an a term, we factor that number out from the rest of the equation. Step 2. Y equals negative 2 bracket x squared plus 6x bracket subtract 11. The a value only affects the a term and the b term. Step 3. Y equals negative 2 bracket x squared plus 6x plus 9 bracket subtract 11 plus 18. You found the number 18 because 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. When you pull 9 outside of the brackets, it's negative 9. Negative 9 multiplied by negative 2 equals positive 18. Step 4. Y equals negative 2 bracket x plus 3 squared plus 7. This is our final equation. Our vertex is negative 3 and 7 because when you pull 3 out of the brackets, it's negative 3.
Go.
The end.
Bye!